This is my tutorial on the bird base. First, you're going to start with a square piece of paper and fold it in half. Open it back up and do it again. Fold it diagonally, both ways. And take this in right here. Fold it to that point. Do the same on the other side. Take this in right here and fold it to your center line. You can do the same on the back side. Next, take this right here, fold it back and forth, and open it back up. Open this part right here. And make sure that's flat. And fold down the flaps flat. Do it on the other side. And that's how you make the bird base.